Now we see types of vectors. Types of vectors. Before we that see, we know the definition for plasmid. Plasmids are the extra chromosomal, self-replicating, double-stranded circular DNA molecule. Okay, the 3 points is very very important. All you mark it. It is in a very important 2-mark question. The first point is it is a extra chromosomal. It is an extra chromosomal. It is self-replicating. Second one, double-stranded circular DNA molecule. It is found in the bacterial cell. In addition to the bacterial chromosome, the plasmids are found. What are they? Plasmids are the extra chromosomal, self-replicating, double-stranded circular DNA molecule. It is present in the bacterial cell along with the bacterial chromosome. It contains genetic information for its own replication. It does not depend on any other. It has its own genetic information, so it can replicate itself. This is the bacterial cell. This is the bacterial chromosome. It is circular in nature. It is otherwise called as nucleoid because it doesn't have a well-defined nuclear membrane, so it is called the name nucleoid. This is the structure of plasmid. Extra chromosomal, double-stranded, circular, self-replicating nature is called as the plasmid. The plasmid is widely used as a vector to transfer desired genes from one to another organisms. In that first we see about the PBR 322 plasmid. It is very important 5-mark question. Otherwise this name description they will ask in the 3-mark question. Okay ma, PBR 322 plasmid is a very very important question. It is a reconstructed plasmid. It is artificially made plasmid. Humans, scientists made this plasmid. It is widely used cloning vector. Most widely used cloning vector is PBR 322. It contains about 4,361 base pairs. It contains 4,361 base pairs. The naming of it is P denotes the plasmid, B and R for the scientist name Bolivar Rodriguez, who developed this plasmid. The number 322 is the number of the plasmid developed from their laboratory. ஸோ அவங்களோட லெபார்ட்டரியில் இது 322 பிளாஸ்மிடாக டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணாதனால அதுக்கு அந்த 322ன்ற நம்பரை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. P for plasmid, B and R for Bolivar and Rodriguez, and the 322 is the number of the plasmid developed from their laboratory. It contains the ampicillin and tetracycline resistant genes. Two different antibiotic resistant genes and recognizing site for several restriction enzyme. It contains the antibiotic resistant genes ampicillin and tetracycline, and it contains recognition sites, specific sites for several restriction enzyme. The recognition site for the restriction enzymes are HIND3. PBR 322 contain the restriction enzymes, restriction sites of HIND3, EcoR1, BAMH1, SAL1, PVU2, PST1, CLA1. This eco indicate E. coli, the name of the bacteria. Okay. This contain several restriction sites. The several restriction sites are HIND3, EcoR1, BAMH1, SAL1, PVU2, PST1, CLA1. And it contains the origin of replication and the antibiotic resistant genes, and ROP codes for the protein involved in the replication of the plasmid. Now we see the structure. It contains ampicillin and tetracycline resistant genes. It contains origin of replication site. It contains origin of replication. Here the replication will start. It contains two antibiotic resistant genes, ampicillin resistant, tetracycline resistant, and it contains the ROP, This protein is necessary for the replication. It contains ROP gene and several restriction sites. It contains the several restriction sites: EcoR1, HIND3, BAMH, PVU2. So by using the EcoR1 restriction enzyme, we can make a cut here. Here in the cut either may be a staggered cut or it may be a symmetric cut. Here we can introduce our gene of interest. In this place we can introduce our gene of interest. Likewise, it contains and several restriction recognizing sites. Next we see about the TI plasmid. The next type is the TI plasmid. It is found in Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Where it is found, ma? Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It is in a bacteria. It is responsible for inducing tumor in dicot plants. TI plasmid is present in the bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It is responsible for inducing tumors in the several dicot plants. The plant carries a transfer gene which helps to transfer the tDNA from one bacterium to another bacterial or plant cells. The plasmid have the transfer gene, have the TRA gene which helps to transfer the tDNA from one bacterium to the other bacterium. It has an ONC gene for oncogenicity. It has an ONC gene for oncogenicity, and it has a ORI gene for origin of replication, and it have a INC gene for incompatibility. tDNA of TI plasmid is stably integrated with the plant DNA. Agrobacterium plasmid have been used for introducing gene of desirable traits into the plants. Plantsல desirable genes transfer பண்ணுறதுக்கு மெயின்லி யூஸ் பண்ணுற வெக்டார்ஸ் எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Agrobacterium tumefaciens தான். In plants, the mainly used vector is the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The tDNA that is bind with the plant DNA. tDNA of TI plasmid is stably integrated, is stably mixed with the plant DNA. Plant DNA ஓட மிக்ஸ் ஆகிற கெப்பாசிட்டி எதுக்கு இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா tDNAக்கு இருக்கு. This is the structure of TI plasmid. This region is called as a tDNA region. This region is called as the tDNA region. The tDNA region only break, this only break and it will be moved to the plants. This will be integrated with the plant DNA. Only this region will be moved and this region only integrated with the plant DNA. It occurs naturally. Scientists use this as a vector to introduce our desired DNA in this region. Okay, the tDNA region contain the genes for auxin. The red color gene, the red color region is called auxin genes. The green color region codes for cytokinin production. Yellow color region codes for opine synthesis. This is the right border. This is the left border. Okay, this is the tDNA region. This region will be transferred from the bacteria to the plant. This is the virulent region. This virulent region will help to transfer the tDNA to the plant cell. This is the origin of replication site. Here the opine catabolism. Here the opine is synthesized. Here the opine is metabolized. Can you understand? This is the structure of TI plasmid. It is present in a bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It is widely used to transfer in the plants. The tDNA region alone only transfer to the plants. It was done with the help of the virulence region. It can have the genes for auxin cytokinin. We know the role of auxin and cytokinin. Okay, auxin for cell elongation, and cytokinin for the cell division. So if the gene is auxin is present means the plant will grow enormously. Cytokinin that will induces the cell division.